Good day, sir. I am Brent Mark D. Decasa, BAC dito Betel Juice, and this is my answer for CO2. For task 1, to get the L moment, we need to multiply the weight times LCG. And to get the vertical moment, we need to multiply the VCG and the weight. The total weight is 44062. The total L moment is 98010.56. The total V moment is 385891. And the FSM is 9791. To get the departure LCG, we need to divide the total L moment divided by displacement is equal to 2.22. To get the departure VCG, we need to divide the total V moment divided by displacement. The answer is 8.76. This is the VCG or the KG of the ship, and the LCG is 2.22. To get the GGO, we need to divide the FSM divided by the weight. The answer is 0.22. To get the ship's GOM on departure, first we need to solve for the GM is equal to KM. We can get the KM in the hydrostatic table minus KG is equal to 3.9. To get the ship's GOM, we need to minus the GM minus GGO is equal to 3.68. For task 1, solve for bodily linkage. The weight divided by TPC. To find the added weight equivalent, we need to multiply the permeability, the volume, and the density is equal to 4981.5. Then weight divided by TPC. TPC is we can get into the hydrostatic table is equal to 104.43, and convert to meter divided by 100 equals 1.044. The change of trimming to find the trimming moment, weight times distance from ship's LCG to hold number 1. So 4981.5 times 63.67. That equal 317,172.105 divided by MTC. We can get the MTC in the hydrostatic table, 554.2 is equal to 572.306. Convert to meter, divide 100 equals 5.723. Change of updraft distance from APP to LCF divided by LPP multiplied by change of trim. 86.72 divided by 174. The 86.72 is the distance from APP to LCF. So the answer is 0.498 times the change of trim is 4.723 is equal to 2.85. Change of forward draft, change of trim minus change of updraft, the 5.723 which is the change of trim, and 2.85 which is the updraft is equal to 2.87. So departure draft, the forward draft is 10 and the updraft is 10 even keel, plus bodily linkage 1.044 is equal, the apparent draft is 11.044. The change of updraft is 2.85. The change of forward draft is 2.81. Since the cargo hold number 1 is in the forward, so we need to add the apparent draft and the change of forward draft, which is 13.91, and the updraft is we need to minus, so the answer is 8.194. And 13.91 minus 8.194 is equal to 5.716. That is the trim by the head. To solve for new kg, total V moment divided by total weight, the V moment plus the added weight multiplied by the kg of the cargo hold number 1 divided by the total displacement is equal to 425,740 divided by 49043.5. The new kg is 8.68. Solve for new km on departure divided by new kg. The km, you can get the km in the hydrostatic table is equal to 12.66 divided by 8 minus 8.68 is equal to 3.98. Free surface GGO is equal to length times B3 times density divided by 12 times displacement is equal to 498,150 divided by 588,522. The new GGO is equal to 0.85. Solve for new GOM is equal to new GM minus GGO is equal to 3.98 minus 0.85. The new GOM is equal to 3.13. Stability may look good if basing only on the calculated GOM, but calculating the actual depth of the vessel with a given hole depth is equal to 15 meters plus tank top 1.5 meters is equal to 16.5 meters. Basing on the calculated draft forward 13.91 meters, vessel has an excessive trim of 5.7161 meters with the head. It is clear that a portion of the bow is partially submerged. That made the situation critical. For task 2, the possible countermeasure to be taken to control the effect of the change stream during flooding is inform the fact of the damage to all crews and necessary organization. All crews stand by on their position and reduce the ship speed. Close all watertight and weathertight closing appliances. Check damage extent and sounding position. Check sounding of the damaged compartment. Calculate the flooding rate. Pump out the water from cargo hold number 1. Take required action regarding the potential recovery action and addition, also based on advice of necessary organization. For task 3, stability may look good if basing only on the calculated GOM, which is 3.13 and the required is 0.15. But calculating the actual depth of the vessel with a given hole depth is 15 meters plus tank top to keel is equal to 1.5 meters is equal to 16.5 meters. Basing on the calculated draft forward 13.91 meters, vessel has an excessive trim of 5.7161 meters with the head. It is clear that the portion of the bow is partially submerged. That made the situation critical. Damage stability calculated dictates that margin line should not be submerged if a vessel has passed the one compartment standard damage stability compliance. The margin line of a ship is an imaginary waterline considered 76 mm below the uppermost continuous watertight deck. We can try pumping out the water inside hold number 1 in order to loosen the draft forward. That is all, sir. Thank you.